Hi, I'm Agius from AP Valletta. The past 2 months working on St. Paul's has been quite crucial as we have surpassed quite a few important milestones. Firstly, the 4 hard stone urns have been installed and finalized. These are of course quite a prominent feature of the St. Paul's Tower. Apart from this, the cathodic protection system, which is a system in place that protects the existing metal in the stone fabric from deteriorating further, has also been finalized. This was quite a large part and an essential part of this project, so we're very happy with this. Following this, the general restoration of the external and internal fabric is coming to a close with stone replacement and also doweling, and now the cleaning of the stone fabric is progressing well. Internally, the timber works are also in progress. Replacement of timber planks and restoration of timber beams and ladders and stairs. Finally, the installation of the metal cross has been finalized. Of course, this is a super iconic feature of the St. Paul's Tower. Right, so the metal cross was dismantled. It was taken to one of the workshops where it was further taken apart. All of the rusted elements were removed and restored accordingly, and then put back together and basically returned and replaced to its original glory. Hopefully it can stay there for the next couple hundred years to come.